Whitehorse CAD is a design consultancy who work with medical device companies, oil and gas companies, and we also work with artisans, makers and entrepreneurs. We help people that either have limited design resource or no design resource. Some of our bigger clients have design teams that are busy working on their bread and butter projects. Some of our clients have no design resource at all. So I decided to start Whitehorse CAD in early 2017. I found out I was going to be made redundant from a long-term position as a senior design engineer, and I realised that I wanted to have more control over my life, and I didn't want to be commuting backwards and forwards, long hours to jobs. So I thought the time is right. I've always wanted to become self-employed. I've always wanted my own business, and the time was then. The biggest concern of becoming a contractor was not getting any work. It's a big step to stand out there and go, this is me, I'm going to do this on my own. But because I'd worked in the industry for so long and I'd built up a network of potential clients, I knew it was a service I could sell. Not going to lie, there was a few lean months at the beginning. It was tough to start with, but once you got over those first few months, it's and you start getting clients who come back and they value you and they value your skills, then it becomes a lot easier. I really like working as a contractor because there's a good diversity. There's I can be working on medical devices 1 minute, oil and gas the next minute. Every day's different. The main key consideration for choosing a CAD tool for me was using a piece of software that I'd had a lot of experience with. I've been using SolidWorks for 20 years now. Started a very long time ago using 2D CAD and very quickly moved into 3D because it was a lot more useful, and I could create some very high-tech designs using relatively low-cost software. I first contacted Solid Solutions when I realised I wanted to buy SolidWorks, and I was a little bit trepidatious. I wasn't certain if I was actually going to move forward, but I thought, I had to have a gauge of how much it was going to cost. So I contacted Solid Solutions, and the engineer who spoke to me gave me my options, and that was very good. They were not pushy at all. I contacted them and I had the information off them, and they didn't. I wasn't being bombarded with phone calls or requests to buy. It was very laid back. I was surprised at how quick it was from placing a purchase order to receiving my license of SolidWorks, so I could actually get on and do some work. I think it all happened in less than 3 days from me writing out the purchase order, sending it over, getting an invoice from Solid Solutions, paying the invoice, and then virtually within a few hours of doing that, I had the license key and I was downloaded SolidWorks.
Our contractors play a really important role in the SolidWorks community. There are loads of businesses out there who have great ideas or really important projects that they're looking to deliver, but they maybe don't have the infrastructure to help them deliver that. So these guys are able to support them through that process and offer a really great service that helps embed SolidWorks into their business, but also helps them achieve their goals.